5 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum for Laminate Floors Reviews. Number 1. MUSU Cordless Vacuum, 4-in-1 Powerful Stick Vacuum Cleaner. This 3.3-pound weighing machine is certainly one of the intriguing ones in the market. It has got a super long-lasting battery which can vacuum for 20 to 28 minutes at a stretch. The tube is quite adjustable. As a result, you can adjust it according to your height and use. You can use it for multiple purposes like vacuuming dirt or cleaning dust. There is the flexibility of using multiple angles so that you can avoid any obstacle while cleaning. There is also an LED light for searching for dust in dark places. The washable heat filter, cyclonic filtration system, and wall mount docking make it more convenient to use. Number 2. Tynico A11 Hero Cordless Lightweight Stick Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Tynico A11 is a cordless stick vacuum that could be conveniently turned into a hand vacuum to clean all the tough-to-reach places and crevices. There is hardly any spot, furniture, area, or counter that you cannot clean with the A11 Hero. So much so that its swivel head lies completely flat when you want to reach beneath the furniture to vacuum. All the power of this vacuum cleaner comes with its 450W motor and single 2500 mAh lithium battery. Once charged, you can clean your house for 40 minutes without any interruption. The 3 suction modes, Suction Mode I and II and Max Mode, along with the 120W suction power, makes your cleaning job effortless and fast. Number 3. ORFELD Cordless Vacuum, Stick Vacuum Cleaner. We have this great ultralight, no more than 3.3 pounds 4-in-1 vacuum by ORFELD. If you clean your laminate flooring with this, be assured of a clean floor and fresh air around. The brushless motor is everything in it. It is a Japanese brushless motor with a 17,000 PA suction power. It spins at a speed of 100,000 revolutions per minute and works with a hurricane suction. The figures say how powerful this vacuum actually is. Even in the standard mode power, the vacuum cleans difficult dirt. To get rid of the sticky, stubborn dirt, you have the max mode. You are getting a powerful but soft brush roller for deep cleaning, crevice nozzle, wooden floor soft roller brush bar, carpet hard roller brush bar, a spare HEPA filter, and an extra screen filter. Number 4. APOSEN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Ensure you are cleaning 99.99% dirt and dust from your laminate floor and the carpets on it with the compelling but quiet, up to 72 decibels noise level, APOSEN Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Not just the flooring and stuff above it, you can clean the corners of the wall, the curtains, bed and sofa crevices, furniture, around, beneath, and over, basically every part of it with APOSEN. It has a potent 120W brushless motor that has a suction power of 10,000 Pa. So you are ensuring thorough cleaning of the surfaces. Surfaces including the ceiling, thanks to its 3.7 to 4.65 feet telescopic rod. It is lightweight too, just 3 pounds, so holding it up to clean the curtains, ceiling top, or corner of the walls doesn't tire your arms. On the contrary, you are cleaning your whole house fast with powerful suction and the same tool. Number 5. Bissell ICON Pet Stick Hand Vacuum Cleaner. If you have pets in the house, you need a Bissell ICON PER Pronto. This one cleans pet hair and pet mess like no other. It is a 7-pound stick vacuum cleaner designed for pets and made for powerful cleaning performance. It works with a 22V lithium-ion battery and a high-performance 55K RPM digital motor. The motor spins at 420 miles per hour and ensures a clean laminate floor free from all the pet hair, deep-seated footprints, and mess. You get a motorized turbo brush tool for better pet hair cleaning from the sofa, beds, stairs, and carpets. The LED lighted crevice tool and dusting brush attached to the main body turn it into a corner, crevice cleaning tool, and hand vacuum. You clearly see what you need to clean and where to clean.